If your washing machine is making weird sound while pumping out water, or wash cycles are weirdly long, or it does not spin correctly, the reason can be that drain pump filter is dirty. To open drain pump cover, you can use knife or flathead screwdriver. Put it here, push it a little bit down, this part. Then take out hose, drain hose. Use water bottle or some bowl to drain the water. I usually use 2 bottles because when one is getting full, I can change it to other one. When water has drained, then open drain pump filter by turning it counterclockwise. Then clean the filter and also look inside the filter housing. If there is some stuff, take it out. After cleaning filter and filter housing, put back clean filter. Then close drain hose. And push drain hose in. Now close door.